Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. So for tonight's video, we're going to attempt to make, but I'm gonna use a squash. Hi everyone, so now we're in our review segment. Andito ako sa labas, like dirty kitchen, kasi para mas malakas yung boses ko and yeah, for comfortability. So, I don't know kung dapat ba ganun yung lasa ng pumpkin spice latte. Well, hindi ako gumamit ng pumpkin puree, so hindi ko alam kung ano pa talaga dapat yung maging lasa niya. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig yung takol ng aso, but I'll continue speaking. So yeah, I'll rate my gawa. Kasi ano siya, masarap siya kasi you can eat parang siyang fiber. Basta yung like buo-buo pa yung pumpkin. Or kalabasa. Squash. Buo-buo pa siya. And then, matamis siya. I like the cinnamon powder combination with squash and coffee. Yeah, gusto ko yung lasa niya. It's so masarap. Yun lang. Bye. You should try it. Masarap talaga siya. For me.